Today we are going to work with Java. We are going to work with the first program in Java. Oops. We are going to work on BluJ. BluJ is a free application to work on Java to teach the students on Java programming. Now let us start BluJ. The first program which we are going to do, first what we do, we first make the new class. When we click over here, let us write hello underscore world. Now making a class, that means the file of such name will be created over here. We need to double click this one. In Java to display hello world. Now the first thing that we do is to we make a class. Now when we talk about the class, Java is a true object oriented programming language. In Java, everything is an object. Hence it is known as true object oriented programming language. Now when we talk about true object oriented programming language, that means we are always going to make a class and work on it. Now let us first make a class. Now we have made a class hello world. Now when we talk about the class, what is a class? In class it is just a collection of data types and variables and just declaration and definition of function. Now this is known as the main class. What happens is that whenever the file name and the name of the class which is holding the main function should be same. Because after compiling the Java program, we are going to create the Java compiler JVM is going to create a .java file. Now that means it is going to create a bytecode file with the same name. Now, so it helps in making the entire program compilable and readable and instructable. Now we are going to make the main class. Now what we have done, first we have made the main class. Now when we talk about the public, public refers to the accessibility and visibility mode. Public means any object outside this class can access the data types and variables of this class. Of which class? Hello world. Now what is the class? Class is just a collection of data types and variables which we are going to see. Now public. Public refers to public, that means any object can access it. Static. Static refers to that. It means global. That means to call this main function, we need no object. We do not need any object to call the main function. That is what is the static. Now when we talk about void, void is the return type. Now void refers to nothing, null. That means it is not going to return anything. Main. Main is the keyword or the function from where the execution of the program begins. String args. Now this is the parameters which we are passing in the program. The parameter, the type of the parameter is string. Args is an array. Now this is an array of string type. This is the main function. This is the return type. Static specifies that we do not need an object to call the main function. Then we have public. Now the first thing is to that we have to display hello world or anything, any a welcoming or any welcoming script on the screen. Now in this what happens, system.out.println is the function. So whatever we write inside the double quotation shall be displayed on the screen. Now for this we have the opening flower bracket and closing flower bracket for this main function. Every function will have a opening flower bracket and closing flower bracket. Then we have the public class hello world. This is the class. This is the name of the class and the name of the file should be same because it is going to create a byte file. That means dot class file. Dot hello underscore world dot class file will also be created when we compile this set of programs, and when we compile this set of programs the same name dot class file dot class file will be holding the byte codes. Now these byte codes are accepted for every operating system because every operating system has its own and independent JVM. Now this is the first program which we have done. This is just the we have written the first program. Now we are compiling the program. We have compiled the program. That means we have converted the entire program to machine code. Now let us try to run the program. Running the program, we go to the same BluJ main window, right click over there, then click on void main string args. Now it is asking for parameters. No, we do not wish to pass any parameters in the main function. Now we give there. Now see, hello world, welcome to the new world of Java. This is what we were looking to display. Now once we have displayed about the hello world, now let us have a brief description about the data types and variables.